Assalamualaikum. My dear students, respectable teachers and honorable viewers. I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to my English class. My dear students, now I am going to take an English class. I hope that you all are sitting in front of your table. So be attentive. Take your necessary papers, pen, and notebook for your class. I think you need full concentration to get maximum benefit from our today's class. First, before starting our today's class, I am giving my identity. I am MD Moniruddin Akunje. I have been working as an assistant teacher in Sultan Ahmed Ali Girls High School, Khulda. Next, our today's lesson identity. You can see on the screen our today's lesson identity. Now I am going to take the class for the student of class 10. Our today's subject is first paper, Unit 10, Lesson 4. Before going to our today's lesson, at the beginning of declaration of our title of the lesson, I am showing you some pictures related to our today's topic. You can see on the screen, একটি দেশ, একটি সংসার, একটি জাবির বোঝা, একটি আন্দোলন, জীবন থেকে নেয়া জহিরায়। Okay, students, beside this picture you can see a great song of our country. Do you know who is this person? I think from this picture we have got a name. He is Joina. This great song of our country, whom we remember forever for his great contribution in the war of liberation and our language movement. From these pictures, I think we have already guessed about our today's topic. Okay, dear students, I have shown the picture of a famous person of our country. He is Zohir. So our today's topic is Zohir, and these persons have dreams. So there are many great persons in our country who had dreams. Our today's learning outcome. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to tell about Zohir's dream. You will tell why the stuff inside was shown outside Bangladesh. You will be able to tell about Zohir's contribution to the language movement and the war of revolution. Okay, dear students, we shall try to achieve the learning outcomes from our today's lesson. At the beginning of our today's topic, for a clear understanding, we shall learn some new words from our today's topic. Our first word, inception. Inception is noun, and the meaning I have shown is inception means beginning of establishment or start. Next word, autocrat. This word is adjective, and autocratic means a dictator, a tyrant, a tendency to compel others to obey him or her. Our next word, legendary. This word is adjective, and legendary means outstanding, famous or renowned. Next word, conspiracy. This word is noun according to parts of speech, and the meaning of this word to make wave to in the words. Next word, critics. This word is noun, and critics means reviewer, a person who expresses good or bad opinion of a book. Okay, dear students, we have finished our vocabulary learning. Next, we shall go to the text. Lesson 4. They had dreams too. Look at the picture. He is a great song of our country. What do you know about him? Who is he? Zohir was one of the most talented filmmakers in Bangladesh. He was born on 19 August 1935 in the village Mojipur in Venice. He was an active worker of the language movement. He was one of the 10 students to go out in a procession on 21st February 1952, despite a ban on such activities imposed by the authorities. As a result, he and many others were arrested and taken to prison. Rahim was also arrested and taken to prison. Rahim was also present at the historical meeting of Amtala in 1st February 1952. He also took part in the mass movement in 1969. In 1971, he joined the Revolution War. Okay, dear students, try to read the topic silently. I am giving you time for this purpose. Now we shall learn about the autobiography of Zohir. He is Zohir, and this great song of our country, his holy symbols or portrait of some language martyrs or freedom fighters. Johi Dayan was born 19 August was born in 19 August 1935 in Venice. He was disappeared in January 13, 1972. जीवन থেকে দেওয়া is a legendary film made by Johi Dayan and Stop Genocide. It is a great documentary on atrocities by the Pakistani ruler. Next, I am showing you some pictures of language. On the screen, you can see two pictures. In the left side, you can see some women. They are taking part in a procession, carrying arms and different weapons, and in the right side, here we can see some people. They are protesting. They are taking part in the language movement. They are also in a protesting movement. Next, on the screen, you can see some people. They are carrying placards and they are revolting against the autocratic ruler. They are demanding their mother language. They are trying to defeat the opposition ruler. There are some of the pictures on the screen. In these pictures, some youths from rural areas, they are also carrying arms. They are also taking part in the war of liberation. And in the right side on the gunboat, we can see some youths. They are also revolting against the opposition and rulers. Okay, dear students, for our today's topic, we have learned that Johi Dayan was one of the talented filmmakers of our country. He was an active worker in the language movement of 1952. In 1971, he joined the Liberation War. All through his life, he dreamed of a democratic society, the society that would ensure freedom of speech. He had many dreams. He had many dreams about our film industry. He made a legendary film, Jeevan Theke Dewa, based on the language movement. he his documentary on the atrocities of Pakistani rulers helped create world sentiment against the liberation war, world sentiment before the liberation war of Bangladesh. Many talented persons like Satyajit Ray, Meenal Gandhi, Ritik Ghatak appreciated the film made by Zohi Ray. Zohi Ray's dream was fulfilled, but this dreamer could not live to see his dream in his life. Okay, dear students, I am giving you two questions for your evaluation. My first question: why was Zohi Ray born? Second question: what did Zohi Ray dream? I have discussed about today's topic. I have already told you about the summary of this passage, and I think you will be able to answer the answer of these two questions very easily. So, at the ending of our today's session, I am giving you homework. Write down on the khata. Write the role of Zohi Ray's films in achieving independence. Thank you everybody. No more today. Okay, dear students, you will try to complete your homework, reading the passage very nicely. No more today. See you again in our next class. Thanks everybody.